Greetings students, this is Sivasis Sandilya and today in the subject of mathematics for class 6, our topic of discussion is knowing our numbers part 2. This is the second unit of tier 1 and today we are going to discuss rounding off and estimation. So in this topic, in this chapter, the subtopics are rounding off to the nearest hundred, tens and thousands, estimating and calculating, and Roman numbers. The Roman numbers we are going to discuss in our subsequent class. Today we are concentrating on the first two subtopics, that is rounding off and estimation. So first of all, rounding off to the nearest 10. So whenever you have to round off a number to the nearest 10, what you will do, you will concentrate on the number in the ones place. If that number is less than 5, then you will go to the previous 10. That means if the number is 163, then 3, the ones place number, is less than 5, so it will be rounded off to 160. And if the ones place is greater than 5, then it will go to the next 10. That means if the number is 166, the ones place is 6, which is bigger than 5, so it will go to the next 10, that is 170. Also, if the number is equal to 5, the number in the ones place is equal to 5, then also it will go to the next tens position. So if the number is 165, the ones place is 5, so it will be rounded off to 170. Now rounding off to the nearest 100. In the same way, now we are going to concentrate on the digit on the tens place. If the digit is bigger than 5, then it is going to the next 100. If it is less than 5, then it is going to the previous 100. And if it is equal to 5, then it is going to the next 100. Pause the video if required. Read the instructions properly. If you have doubt, call me, contact me. I'll explain once again. Then we have the rounding off to nearest thousands. Now to round off to the nearest thousand, what we are going to do, we are going to concentrate on the digit at the hundreds place. So if the digit is greater than 5, then it is going to the next 1000. If it is equal to 5, then also we are going to the next 1000. And if the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, then we are rounding off the number to the previous 1000. Pause the video if required. Read the instructions properly. If you don't understand, contact me. I'll explain you once again. Now, if we have a decimal number and we have to round off that decimal number to the nearest whole number, what we are going to do, we are going to concentrate on the digit after the decimal point. If the digit after the decimal point is greater than 5, then it will be rounded off to the next whole number. If the digit after the decimal is less than 5, then we are going to round it off to the previous whole number. Again, if the digit after the decimal point is 5, then also we are going to round it off to the next whole number. Pause the video if required. Read the instructions properly. If you don't understand, please contact me. I'll help you out. Now, what does estimation means? Estimation means taking approximation using a scientific or logical basis. It is used mainly for quick calculations. So for example, you have to add 13 plus 19. So what we will do, we will round off 13 to 10 and round off 19 to 20 and add 10 plus 20 equal to 30. That is the process of estimation. The concept will get clearer when we do problems related to this part. Comparing real and estimated values. So now, when we do calculations after estimation and when we do calculations with their actual values, there might be some differences. So finding that difference is the comparing of real and estimated values. Sometimes the estimated value is larger than the real value, and sometimes the real value is larger than the estimated value. So now here we have to round off the given numbers to the nearest 10. Pause the video for 5 minutes, read the demo and try to solve this yourself. If you have any doubt, contact me. Now I am showing you the answers. So these are the answers. 625, since the ones place is 5, so it will go to the next 10. The next 10 that comes after 625 is 626, 27, 28, 29, 30. So it will be 630. Number B, 69. Since 9 is bigger than 5, it will be converted to the rounded off to the next 10. After 69, the nearest 10 is 70. So it will be rounded off to 70 and so on. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Pause the video for 5 minutes, read the demo and try to solve this yourself. If you have any doubt, any problem, contact me. I'll help you out. So for example, number C, if the number is 449, since the digit in the tens place is 4, which is less than 5, this number will be rounded off to the previous 100. So the 100 that comes before 449 is 400. So 449 will be rounded off to 400. Look at the answers. If you have done anything wrong, correct it. If you didn't understand anything, please contact me. So here we have to estimate and calculate. Pause the video and go through the demo. I'm sure you will understand. Take 10 minutes and solve the problems yourself. If you have any problem, contact me. Now I am showing you the answers. So look at question number E. 35 into 41. So rounding of 35 we get 40 and rounding of 41 we also get 40. So the estimated calculation will be 40 into 40, which is equal to 1600. So likewise the other calculations are also done. I hope you have done everything correctly. If you have done anything wrong, note down the correct answer, and if you have not understood something, please contact me. I will help you out. Again here also we have to estimate and calculate. Pause the video for 10 minutes and try it yourself. Now I am showing you the answers. Look at question number B. 928 plus 677. Rounding of 928 to the nearest 100, we get 900. And rounding of 677 to the nearest 100, we get 700. So 900 plus 700 gives us 1600 or 1600. Likewise, the other problems are also done. If you have done anything wrong, note down the correct answer and if you didn't understand, please contact me. I will help you out. So here we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 1000. So what do we do to round off the number to the nearest 1000? We concentrate on the third digit from the right hand side, that means the hundreds place. Look at the demo number 1, 2468. The number, the digit in the hundreds place is 4, which is less than 5, so it will be rounded off to the previous 1000, which is 2000. That means 2000 comes before 2468, so it will be rounded off to 2000. Again in demo 2, 3562, concentrate on the third digit from the right, that is the digit on the hundreds place, it is 5. So it will be rounded off to the next 1000. So 3562 will be rounded off to 4000 because 4000 comes after 3000. Pause the video for 10 minutes. Try to solve the questions yourself. Now I am showing you the answers. Concentrate on question number D. 2760, 7 is bigger than 5, so it will be rounded off to the next 1000, which is 3000. Similarly, the other problems are also done. If you didn't understand, please contact me. I will help you out. Here we have to round off the decimal to the nearest whole numbers. Demo number 1, 8.3, 3 is less than 5, so it will be rounded off to 8. In the demo number 2, 8.7, 7 is larger than 5, so it will be rounded off to the next whole number. What is the next whole number after 8? It is 9, so it will be rounded off to 9. Similarly, try to solve the problems given by yourself. Pause the video for 5 minutes and try it yourself. Now I am showing you the answer. So these are the answer. For example, concentrate on number C, 4.1. 1 is less than 5, so it will be rounded off to the previous whole number. What is the whole number that comes before 4.1? It is 4. Similarly, the others are also done. If you didn't understand, contact me. I will help you out. Now here we have to again estimate and calculate. Pause the video for 10 minutes, go through the demo, try to solve these problems yourself. I am showing you the answers now. Concentrate on answer number C, 5709. 7 is larger than 5, so it is rounded off to the next 1000, which is 6000. Minus 2959, 9 is greater than 5 again, so it is converted into the next 1000, which is 3000. So the new equation becomes 6000 minus 3000, which gives us 3000. This is the estimated value. Likewise, the others are also done. Please check your answers. If you have done anything wrong, note down the correct answer. If you didn't understand, please ask me. I will help you out. So here we have to estimate and calculate, and now we have multiplication. So pause the video for 15 minutes, look at the demo and try to solve this yourself. I am showing you the answers now. Concentrate on question number B. 3952 is rounded off to 4000 and 68 is rounded off to 70. So our estimated calculation will be 4000 into 70, which gives us 280000. Likewise, the other problems are also solved. I hope everyone did correctly. So now we have to estimate and check if the actual value is more or less than the estimated value. That means we have to do two calculations. First one, we have to convert the numbers into their nearest tens or hundreds or thousands. After that, do the estimated calculation and find the estimated value. The EV represents estimated value. And after that, we have to do the actual calculation and find the actual value. AV represents actual value. Then we will compare which one is bigger, which one is smaller, and write down that estimated value is bigger than actual value or actual value is bigger than estimated value, like that. Pause the video for 10 minutes, go through the demo, try to solve this yourself. Now I am showing you the answers. So these are the answers. Concentrate on answer number C, 42 minus 36. The estimated value of 42 is 40, and the estimated value of 36 is also 40. So the estimated value will be 40 minus 40 equal to 0, and the actual value will be 42 minus 36 equal to 6. So actual value is more than the estimated value. Likewise, the other problems are also solved. Check you have done everything correctly. If you have done any mistake, note down the correct answers. If you didn't understand, please ask me, I will help you out. Okay, the first word question is, Ravi had 37 toffees. He gave 12 of these to his younger sister. Estimate how many toffees are left with him. Question number B, Nitish had a sum of rupees 117. He got a sum of rupees 35 more. Estimate how much money is left with him. Pause the video. Try to do this yourself. Here are some more problems. A book weighs 256 grams and it has 283 pages. Estimate the weight of one page. Number D, Nalin had 63 apples. He gave 18 apples to Noshi. Estimate how many apples are left with Nalin. Number E, in a forest survey, 234 animals were found in a 1 kilometer square area. If the total area of the forest is 294 kilometers square, estimate the approximate number of animals in the forest. Pause the video, try to solve this yourself. Now I am showing you the answer. So these are the answers to the 5 word problems. Check you have done everything correctly. If you have done anything wrong, note down the correct answers. And if you didn't understand any of the question and the answers, please contact me. I will help you out. So this brings us to the end of today's class. In our next class, we will discuss the Roman numerals, and in the next class, we are going to complete this chapter. I hope you enjoyed today's period. Thank you everyone.